What's going on, everybody? It's your boy J Coop, and today is the Nike Court Vision Low the best sneaker under $50? Let's get into it. Okay guys, so we all know about the Air Force One, probably Nike's most popular and to me, their best shoe ever. But I'm always looking for a cheaper alternative. And I think I found it in the Nike Court Vision Low. The saying that you will hear the most on Coop's Corner is, you make the clothes do not make you. That is the theme of this video because the Nike Court Vision Low is gonna run you under $50, people, and that's good for both parents and for people who just want to spend less money on shoes but still look fresh. Now guys, the Court Vision Low is similar to the Air Force One in many ways. Let's break those down. So to my left we have the classic Air Force One, and to my right we have the Nike Court Vision Low. Let's break down some of the similarities. They both have the classic Nike swoosh. You can't go wrong with that. They're both a nice, clean, low-cut shoe. The Air Force One has that air going across the back of the heel. That is a plus, but it's not a necessity. And they both have Nike on both of the tongues. I'll be breaking down more in depth of the actual branding all over the Nike Court Low. And to me, the bottoms look pretty much the same, but on the Nike Court Vision Low, I'm digging that all red bottom. On the back heel tabs, you still have Nike logoing, but it's just a little bit smaller on the Court Vision Low. Having both of these in hand, you really can't tell the difference. And if you got that sauce, you can swag it out any way you want to. It's all about you. Let's keep getting into the Nike Court Vision Low. With the Nike Court Vision Low being only $50, I went and picked up 3 pair so we could break down how they look, how they feel, and how I feel they're the best sneaker under $50. I had the white and red Court Vision Low, and you know I had to do the black and white Nike Court Vision Low. And there's nothing like an all crispy white pair of Nike Kicks, baby. Now guys, they have way more colors of these. They have them in white and royal blue. They have the all gray with the white swoosh. They have the black on black ones. And I just recently saw the all white with the gum bottoms. When you're looking for the Nike Court Vision Low, the MSRP is $65, but you must shop smart, people. Look at different stores and Google is your best friend to find them under $50, guys, and you can still stay fresh for less. Nice. All right, guys, let's get more in depth on the Nike Court Vision Low. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the all white Nike Court Vision Low. You see that low cut silhouette looking very fresh and clean. You have your white Nike swoosh and you have your white bottom. Now up top you have a tumbled leather. This is a very clean shoe, people. On that back heel you have the Nike in all white, crispy. On the tongue you have that Nike Court Vision in all white, and on the inside of the sole you have that black Nike logo. That bottom looks very similar to an Air Force One with that classic Nike swoosh right in the middle. Guys, the all whites are super fresh. Let's move on to the next colorway. Okay guys, we have the black and white Nike Court Vision Low. These might be my favorite. You see we have that all white bottom wrapped around, looking very fresh. We have that black upper with the tumbled leather. Oh, it smells so good, people. I wish you could smell them. We have the white Nike swoosh, and we have that classic Nike on the back heel tab. We have the Nike Court Vision on the tongue in all black, and you see we have that Nike logo in all white on the insole. Once again, we have that crispy all white bottom. This black and white pair is so versatile and so fresh. I love them, man. All right, let's move on to the last pair. Okay guys, white and red Nike Court Vision Lows. We have the all red Nike swoosh. We have that all white upper, very fresh, very clean. And we have that Nike Court Vision and all red on the tongue. We have the classic red Nike symbol on the insole. And we have that super fresh bottom with that classic Nike symbol in the middle. Now guys, for the Nike Court Vision Low in all the colorways, I have to give this shoe 2 thumbs up. Okay guys, now a major factor with the Nike Court Vision Low is they run big. Make sure you size down half a size, or maybe even size down a whole foot size if you want that tighter snug. Typically, I wear a 10.5, but I size down to a 10 and it fits magnifique. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why the Nike Court Vision Low is just as good as the Air Force One that's going to cost you double the amount of money. Reason number 3, the style of the shoe is still fresh. Once again, the shoes don't make you, you make the shoes. It still has the Nike swoosh. It's still a low cut, crisp shoe. You can do multiple things with this shoe and it's still gonna look good for half the price. The number 2 reason, this is a versatile shoe. You can wear this shoe to work, you can wear this shoe to school, you can do so many things with this shoe because there's so many different colors and there's so many different options to pull it out with. And the number 1 reason is the price. You're going to save money. The older that I get, the wiser I get. The more money you save, the more you can do other things. It's a beautiful thing, people, so always try to save your money. Okay guys, there you have it, my review on the Nike Court Vision Low. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and make sure you smash that like button. Also, follow me on Instagram at Jackson S. Cooper. Now guys, you know I have to show you how these look with pants and with shorts. So let me hit you with the on feet. But until next time, stay blessed. Peace.